Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make steamed vegetables. So first thing first is heat up a pan, and to the heated pan add in your chili oil. I've been using this chili oil recipe because I want to show you that there's so many things you can do with this. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my spinach. I used frozen spinach, but you can use fresh one. This is what I had at home at the moment. And then I'm just going to wait until that is spread apart in the pan. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in my fresh basil leaves. I really like the taste of basil. You can use whatever leaves you like. You can use kale, you can use any vegetables at all. Then I went ahead to add in my green onions that I chopped, and then I added some salt to taste, just for flavor for the vegetables. Then I just mix until all the veggies are to some extent steamed and cooked. It takes about 2-3 minutes, and then your vegetables are done. That's it. Serve it up however you like and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.